Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to be planning in my B6 Traveler's Notebook, which has a modified insert from the Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook set. And the prompt for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Challenge is so fabulous. So I'm looking at that as kind of like fashion diva kind of stuff. So I did do a little in this, and I'll share more about it in another video, but let's go on and get to planning out this week, or setting it up, shall I say. So I pulled out these washis as options. I'm not sure about the white. I definitely want to use the pink and black. This is part of a kit from Victoria. Is it Victoria Thatcher? It's not the whole kit, just part of it. And then this is also part of this kit. The rest of this is from another free kit from a website that I found online that I don't recall the name of, but I will look it up and put the information in the description box below. This was not easy for me to use. I kind of had to do a little hack to make it work, so just be advised. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this washi down at the bottom, and I'm still getting used to this. Even though I was doing from scratch spreads before, it's still a little different, which is why I'm kind of using kits for now until I get used to it again. Having that structure of the kit kind of keeps me on track. So let's see, I don't need that little piece on there. And if you hear the rumbling noise in the background, that is the dryer. Can't be helped. Sorry if it's bothering you. And this may end up being a fairly quiet setup because it's the end of the day and I'm tired, but I wanted to do this. So I don't think I'll be too chatty, but who knows? I might. There's not that much to chat about, really. The package that I talked about in one of my recent Plan With Me's, where they were saying that it had incomplete address. Well, the address was complete and the package came that date. I don't know why they play these games. It was supposed to be here 2 days prior, but I don't know how mysteriously the address was all of a sudden complete and they were able to deliver. So yeah, that's ridiculous, but I'm glad I got the package. And now I'm kind of wondering what is going on with my post office. Or the local post office, it's not mine. Okay, so there's that. And I'm almost off the edge of the desk. Now I didn't use these washis, and I probably could or should. Let's see. I know I don't have a whole lot going on. I might not be able to. I don't know what's going on with my Cricut either. It was cutting so well, and now all of a sudden it's starting to act up. Shall we put this up here? I know that's going to eat up quite a bit of space, but let's just do it. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to do a whole lot of PR stuff this week, and most of what I have to do is the typical things. This is PR and social media, by the way. because most of the PR is on social media. But yeah, I don't have a whole lot of that going on, so I don't know. I don't need a whole lot of space, and if I do, I can just turn the page. What is happening here? There we go. Okay, so since the Dior is over there already, let's start on this side and meet it so we won't have the same elements on both sides. So we kind of got a little same on each side, but it's not too bad. All right, so I think I'm gonna put the weekend sticker down. Oops. I don't think I made them attach. I didn't. So that is not good, but we can still work around that. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. And this here. Okay, and then go ahead and put down these day covers. Let's start with Wednesday. That's kind of weird because the two purses, but it's okay. I won't use the purse in the bottom part. I'll try to stick with mostly pink down here. And I wish I'd have made more of these functional boxes, but I didn't. I think I'm gonna do the bottom this time, since we already have the weekend sticker there, and then leave this space up here for stuff. Let's do the dresses. Oh, I forgot to use this one. I really wanted to use that one. And the shoes. Let's see. I know Wednesday I'm not going to be available, so. What I should have done is make this a, let's take it up. I'm gonna make this a journaling spot style thing so that I still have room to write. Let's do that. So I was testing out some stamps on this sticker paper here. So I'm just gonna trim some off. Let's see. The height is almost 2 inches, 1.9. I'm probably doing too much, but we'll roll with it. And then We need 4.5. Then I need to score at 1.5. And 3. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Okay. So this one goes down on the page. So you do like a Z fold like this. Like that. So this is the backing. It's gonna go down on the page like that. Okay. So let me go ahead and put the sticker on here. And you can do this with regular paper too. It's probably better to do it with regular paper because you don't end up with 3 layers. You just kind of, yeah, you just have 2, but you'd have to glue down. Yeah, see, I knew it was gonna be too tall because I can't measure 1.9 on my paper trimmer. So we just trim out the excess and hope that it's still straight. So I'm gonna peel off starting with the piece that's gonna go down on the paper. Okay. Make sure you got the sticker going in the right direction. And I'm just gonna line it up as best as I can. There we go. Then take the rest of the backing off, fold this over on itself, and voila. So take the bone folder, or scissor handles work too, and or your ruler. Use and burnish that down, and of course it'll close. Let's try this. Okay, I don't know what's gotten into me, but I've just been going sticker crazy lately. So there's that. I'll save these for another time. Just clip them all on here. Through the 11th. Oops, I picked up 2. So Monday is 5. I think that's gonna be it for this spread. Let's pop this in. This is the band I was using. This is still a mess. Oh. So that is it. That is my spread. It's so fabulous for the week, for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.